Welcome to our countdown of the top 6 countries with the best food in the world. From the spicy flavors of India to the fresh seafood of Japan, this list has something for every food lover. Get ready to take a culinary journey around the globe and discover the delicious cuisines that these countries have to offer. So, let's get started. 1. Italy. When it comes to the best food in the world, Italy is certainly a top contender. From the creamy richness of carbonara to the fresh, light flavors of a simple caprese salad, Italian cuisine has something for every taste. Of course, no visit to Italy would be complete without indulging in a few slices of perfectly crafted pizza, with its crispy crust and savory toppings. And don't forget about the pasta, whether it's a bowl of creamy fettuccine alfredo or a plate of perfectly cooked spaghetti carbonara, pasta is a staple of Italian cuisine. And when it's time for dessert, there's no beating the smooth, creamy goodness of gelato. 2. Japan. Japanese food is known for its precision and attention to detail, and it's no wonder that it's considered some of the best in the world. Sushi, with its perfectly sliced raw fish and sticky rice, is a must-try when in Japan. And for those who prefer their food a little heartier, there's always the comforting warmth of a bowl of steaming ramen or udon noodles. Tempura, with its light and crispy battered vegetables and seafood, is also a popular choice. And let's not forget about the beautifully presented bento boxes, filled with an assortment of delicious and carefully crafted dishes. 3. France. French cuisine is known for its sophistication and finesse, and it's no wonder that it's considered some of the best in the world. From the rich and buttery escargot to the flaky, buttery goodness of a freshly baked croissant, French food is all about indulgence. Coq au vin, a classic French dish made with tender chicken braised in red wine, is another must-try. And when it's time for dessert, there's no beating the creamy richness of a bowl of crème brûlée or the delicate layers of a freshly baked éclair. 4. Thailand. Thai food is known for its bold and spicy flavors, and it's a must-try for anyone who loves a little heat in their food. Tom yum goong, a spicy and sour soup made with shrimp, is a classic Thai dish that's sure to wake up your taste buds. For a heartier meal, try a plate of pad thai, a stir-fried noodle dish made with shrimp, tofu, and a variety of vegetables. And don't forget about the many street food stalls that dot the streets of Thailand, offering up a variety of delicious and affordable dishes. 5. Spain. Spanish cuisine is all about tapas, small plates of food that are meant to be shared with friends. From the savory flavors of cured meats and cheeses to the richness of a bowl of creamy garlic shrimp, tapas have something for everyone. Paella, a classic Spanish rice dish made with seafood and a variety of vegetables, is another must-try when in Spain. And when it's time for a drink, there's no beating the refreshing flavors of a cold glass of sangria. 6. India. Indian food is known for its bold and aromatic flavors, and it's a must-try for anyone who loves a little spice in their food. Tandoori chicken, marinated in a blend of spices and cooked in a clay oven, is a classic Indian dish that's sure to satisfy. Biryani, a fragrant and flavorful rice dish made with spices and a variety of meats and vegetables, is another must-try. And let's not forget about the many varieties of naan bread, from the plain to the stuffed with a variety of delicious fillings. And that concludes our countdown of the top 6 countries with the best food in the world. We hope you enjoyed taking this culinary journey with us and discovered some new and delicious cuisines. Which country was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more top 10 lists and food-related content. Until next time, bon appetit!